That's good, and that's really interesting to hear that you're working on yourself because when we keep on learning anything in our life, it helps us. Our mind also works well, and if we are busy, we do not think about any ill thoughts, also. So, that is really
Hmm.
good that you are working on yourself, and I believe in every like aspect of our life, we should keep on learning. Even I love to learn. Yeah, hi, how are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. What about you?
I'm also good. Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, sure. My name is Santosh Sharma. I'm from Himachal Pradesh. I'm a homemaker and mother of a grown-up boy. I hold dual post-graduation degrees, and one is in education and one is in English literature. And if I talk about my hobbies, I'm a travel enthusiast. I'm an avid nature lover. And I love listen to music, and sometimes I love to dance to unwind myself. But these days, I have totally engrossed myself into English, learning this language, and that's how I'm spending my time. I'm enjoying my journey of learning this language.
Wow, that's really good to hear about you. Let me introduce myself. My name is
Yes.
Pallavi Tindra, and I'm an English trainer by profession. I have been teaching online for almost 10 years. And about my educational qualification, I'm postgraduate in English as well as TEFL TESOL certified trainer. And I'm from Delhi, and my hobbies, I really love to do a lot of shopping. This is all about me. If you want to ask anything in specific, you can.
Sure. Uh, okay, so we both are postgraduate in English literature. So,
Yeah,
how was your experience of doing post-graduation in English literature?
it was good actually, and you could see the results that I'm training and teaching now these days. So it is
Hmm.
good. I'm interested in it, reading the novels and all this stuff. So that caters my interest, and as a result, I did my post graduation in it.
Okay, so are you interested in reading a lot?
Yeah, I read like nowadays, or from, I tell you, from so many years, I read self-help books. So, which
Okay.
help me grow if I have any query or so, rather than asking anybody, I will find a book related to that and I will read it.
Hmm.
So it is very important that we need to have a strong reason that even if we go out of the track, our mind brings in back. So if your
True
mind
that.
have a strong reason, we strongly work on it. And this is so true. So every time
Hmm.
we need to find a strong reason whenever we try. But this year I found and I gave myself a strong reason. So I hope I will do something this year. And I keep on announcing this on social media. When you announce and you tell some people, I'm also a human being, I'm not like some other person. So, have the, oh, I tell everybody now I need to work on it.
Actually, yes, motivation doesn't last long. For that, you
Yeah,
have to make your habit, and once you develop this habit, then definitely you will be disciplined, and
yeah,
you can't stay without that if it becomes your habit and discipline.
that's true.
Yes. Okay. So you said that you are training, you are an English trainer for the
Yeah,
last 10 years. So you
yeah.
are training offline or online?
I only teach online. Like even
Okay.
before Corona, I have a lot of students from outside India, even so NRI students. So that's what I say. Like if I have to give teaching, I'm so regular and consistent. I never break off. Not even a single day, I tell you. Not even a
Mm.
single day, whether I'm well or I'm unwell. I do teach. This is my pattern. So even I thought this, am I not like regular into it? Because sometimes it happens, we start something and we don't end up. Then I was like judging myself, or I was introspecting, I would say, and understanding my pattern. But I thought, no, it's not that I'm not disciplined. Otherwise, if I won't be disciplined, how can I
Mm.
continue so long without any break? So no
True
matter,
that.
even if I am in hospital also, sometime I even took my class from hospital also, you won't believe. So
Oh
I
my.
am that much passionate about teaching.
Hmm. Actually, it becomes your habit now, and
That's true.
it included in your discipline.
Yeah, that's right.
Yes. And may I ask, okay, you have told me that you are a person who loves shopping.
Yeah.
So I will give you two scenarios. One, would you like to love spending time in nature, or you would love to spend time in a big mall, shopping mall?
Shopping mall. Because
Okay.
that's a great stress buster for me. When I shop, I feel happy. I just wonder why I'm doing so many things. I should make myself happy. Actually, I tell you this, though some people even find me selfish, they say you are just spending and wasting the money, but I don't think so. See, we get all of us, we get our life once. And why I'm doing so
Mm.
much of hard work? I almost teach like 10 hours a day. That's too much. And now these days, along with that, I try to be regular on YouTube also. So I think I am doing all the best efforts. So I should make myself happy. And I feel if
Mm.
you are happy inside, then only you can do whatever you want to do.
True that. Actually, I also love shopping, but not that much. If I'm in a bad mood, then definitely I love. I would love to go for an online shopping,
Yeah,
and it works as a stress buster for me.
yeah. I
And
am in any mood. I love shopping only. Even in my bad mood, my family members say, "चल कहीं बाहर चलते हैं," and then I am okay and I'm happy. I won't even get headache if I'm going outside. But if I'm at home, I say, My head is aching a lot today."
mm, true that. It's true. Also, I can resonate with you. I'm also the same kind of person. I'm always happy for traveling. No matter how much tired I am, if someone will say me, let's go for a traveling, then I will immediately pack my bag and get ready for traveling.
Yeah.
Yes. So do you have any question for me?
I just want to know, like, as if you are telling that you have been learning English now these days so seriously. So, what all things you follow and how it is helping you out?
Okay. I started my learning journey last year in the month of January. I started listening to conversational videos, and from there, I got to know about audio call apps. And earlier, I was not aware that
Mhm.
such kind of apps are there. And earlier, I was skeptical that whether I should go for these kind of apps or not, talking to strangers, as I was staying at home and I was confined to the four walls of my home. And for the last so many years, I wasn't teaching years back. Then I left that job to raise my child. And now he's a grown up boy, he's a working professional. So I thought that why not? I should follow my passion now. I have ample of time. So that's how I started my journey. But I was not consistent. For the 40-50 days, I used my CV app. After that, I was not consistent. I was busy with other works. And in the month of September, seriously, I thought that no, this will not work for me. I have to start my journey seriously. I should be consistent. And then I mailed a few of YouTubers. At the time, I was not aware how to mail. And as I was staying at home and there was no need of mailing anyone, sending mail anyone to anyone. So I learned how to send a mail. Then I mailed so many YouTubers, and they had given me chance to speak in front of them. And when it was my it was my initial video calls, I was so
Mhm.
um, full of fear, and I was so scared, and my voice was fumbling, and my heart was racing a lot, and that's how I started my journey. But it is said that when you want to learn something, you have to come out of your comfort zone. You have to push yourself in uncomfortable situations, and you have to face your fear. That's what I did. And after that, I thought they uploaded my videos on YouTube. And then I thought that I should take some sessions with English Yari tutors. Then I took sessions with English Yari tutors. And nowadays, my subscription is over. And I'm just doing reading out loud and speaking with other people, co-learners, YouTubers. That's how I am. continuing my journey.
Okay, and that's good, and that's really interesting to hear that you're working on yourself because when we keep on learning anything in our life, it helps us, our mind also works well, and if we are busy, we do not think about any ill thoughts also. So that is really
Hmm.
good that you are working on yourself, and I believe in every like aspect of our life, we should keep on learning. Even I love to learn a lot of things, and I also help to grow myself. So that's
Hmm.
really interesting to know about you that you are learning and growing. And I wish you luck that you improve more and more and reach the
Thank you so
ultimate
much.
level you are looking for.
Thank you so much. Yes, when you learn something and you are following your passion, you feel happy from inside and
Yeah,
you feel content. At the end of the day, it matters a lot that you're satisfied and content that you are investing your valuable time in a right direction or
that's
instead
true.
of wasting it and doing doom scrolling or something. So that's
That's
how
true.
I'm enjoying, and I'm meeting daily. I'm meeting some wonderful people and learning from them, and definitely it's grooming my personality.
Mm-hmm. Happy to hear that. All right. Do you have something or shall we wind up the session?
I think we should wind up this session because I have another
Yeah.
session immediately
You
after this.
mentioned I got late. Extremely sorry once again for that.
So it's okay. It's
All
okay.
right. Okay. So it was a lovely session with you. I really enjoyed a lot and I learned that we should be consistent and regular to achieve our goals.
Likewise, I also learned so many things from you, and hope we will catch up next time for my channel.
Sure, sure. No problem. All right.
Okay,
Bye.
okay, bye. See you soon. Bye.